Johoku, Thailand, a leading manufacturer of wiring harnesses, faced challenges with fragmented and outdated ERP systems. To drive operational efficiency and prepare for future growth, they partnered with Fujitsu to modernize their infrastructure. Fujitsu implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central in the cloud, integrating sales, supply chain, inventory, and manufacturing modules, along with custom barcode and reporting tools. This transition enabled Johoku to retire legacy systems, automate workflows, and centralize data management. The cloud deployment eliminated on-premises hardware costs and delivered a 40% savings with a 3-year subscription. With a unified ERP platform now empowering 300 users, Johoku operates more efficiently and securely, laying the groundwork for future expansion and continued digital transformation.